Hey, Algebra 2 peeps, what's up? Mr. Miller here. Today is Wednesday, March the 7th. It is 2:39 p.m., and I thought I would make a supplemental video going through some of these Math Excel problems to do some further examples with you. All right, you're going to have to bear with me because I'm going to have to do a lot of screen switching, but it's necessary because I'm going to have to write these problems down and then work them out and then go back to Math Excel, punch in the answer to show that I'm correct. So here's our first problem. We have log base 6 of 18 plus log base 6 of 2, and we're told to write that as a single logarithm. All right, so let's do that. Let's take a look at how we can write that as a single logarithm. So let me get a notepad up here. It closed out on me unexpectedly, so let me fire it back up. Sorry for the delay. View, full screen. Okay, let's do it. So I'm going to rewrite this. Log base 2. No, log base 6. Log base 6 of 18 plus log base 6 of 2. All right, so we want to write this as a single log, a single logarithm. And I want you to remember that if we're adding logarithms, plus means product, plus product both start with p. So we're going to have log, keep the common base. The common base is 6. That's not going to change. And we multiply. We take the product of the 18 and the 2. Now, what is 18 times 2? 36, right? Here's the deal. If you type that into Math Excel, I bet you it's going to mark it wrong. It looks correct. It is correct. But if you're able to simplify your logarithm answer further, you have to do that. So we have to stop and check. What do I raise 6 to? 6 to what power is going to give me 36? That would be 2, right? So log base 6 of 36 is 2. This is the answer that Math Excel is going to probably want. So I'm going to do a little experiment here. The first thing I'll do is I'll try to type this answer into Math Excel, and I bet you it's going to mark it wrong. If it marks it wrong, then I'm going to go to this answer, and Math Excel should be happy with it. All right, let's give it a go. Let's see what Math Excel has to say. Oh, now what? It's going to start spazzing out on me, huh? Get out of here. Do you want to add what? No, leave me alone. All right, so first I said I would try to type in log base 6 of 36 and see if it will accept it. It doesn't like it. See, now look at what it says here, guys. Although your answer is equal to the correct answer, it is not in correct form. Why is it not in correct form? Because 6 squared is 36. That means log base 6 of 36 is 2. Yay! I'm so smart. All right, let me do this one with you now. And this one is also interesting because you'll notice that it doesn't have any bases attached to the logarithm. And there's a special reason for that. It's because these are special logarithms. So if you see the word log and there's no base attached to it, it's always base 10. A log with no base means log base 10. All right, so let's do this one now as an example. I gotta switch screens again. Okay. Alt Enter. All right, let's do it. So now we have 2 log base 10. I'm not going to write 10, and some math teachers are very stickler with that. They will mark you wrong if you include the itty bitty 10 n. So this is what I'm saying. If you have the word log and there's no base shown, what it's really meaning is log base 10. All right, but we don't write the 10 in. We just know that if we see the word log with no base shown, that means log base 10. Okay, we got a couple of things going on here. First thing I can do is I can use the product rule, not product rule, the power rule, sorry about that, and I can slingshot this 2 that's in front up to the 3. So now my problem is going to read log base 3 to the second power plus log base uh, log of 4. All right, so I want to be clear. Let me say this again. Log base 10 of 3 to the second plus log base 10 of 4. I may have misspoken when I was talking about this first piece, and if I did, ignore that. Sorry. Now, what can we do now? Well, we can now say, since we have a plus in between, we can make a product. We're going to do a logarithm product. The product of what? Of 3 squared and 4. Okay, now 3 squared is 9. And then 9 times 4 is 36. And that's not going to simplify any further because we'd have to figure out what do I raise to the 10 to give 36. All right, and that's not really a very nice problem. What that means is we are done. It's going to be finished right here, log base 36. All right, let's see what Math Excel thinks of my answer. I'll be so embarrassed if I get it wrong. I'll be humiliated, shunned. All right, very good. All right, so now they're throwing letters at us. You know what, guys? Don't let that scare you. It's not a big deal. Log base 3 of RS. The R and the S, those are just representing numbers. No big deal. So let's see, what do we get here? Log base 3 RS. And this one we want to expand. What the? Almost said a bad word. That wouldn't have been good. Log base 3 RS. All right, what's happening between the R and the S? Multiplication, right? Product. Product plus. So now we're going to expand this. And we're going to say that the log of R times S is the log of R, keeping the common base, which is 3, plus the log of the second thing. All right? The log of R times S, the log of the first thing times the second thing, is the log of the first thing plus the log of the second thing. Okay? So let's see if this matches one of our answers. Because this was multiple choice, if I'm not mistaken. Ah, D. D should be the correct answer. Oh, I'm so happy I got it right. Okay. Expand the logarithm. Simplify if possible. Log base 4 over A over B. Log base 4 A over B. Oh my god, you guys can tell that I am really, really tired. I can't even speak my own talk today. I'm so tired. Log base 4 A over B. Log base 4 A over B. Let me do this one in red. Okay, log base 4 A over B. Okay, so this is a division problem, and division, difference. Difference means to subtract. So log base 4 of A over B is going to be the log of the top thing minus the log of the bottom thing. So we have log base 4, division means difference, log base 4A minus log base 4B. Finito. All right, let's see if one of those choices matches. Log base 4A, here it is. This should be the correct answer. All right, good deal. So tomorrow, guys, in class, we're going to do some review of this stuff. We will do some activities in class, and then you'll have some time to complete some practice problems. And we'll probably do another Turnitin problem at the end of the period. So I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Keep smiling. And I really do appreciate your efforts. Keep up the good work. Catch you later. Bye.